Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you convert the green color into blue. So at first you have to know the color theory like that. If you subtract two colors like cyan and magenta, it makes in a blue color. So you have to know these things and you have to apply these things in your photographs, and that's why I made these things in a camera raw mode. And why camera raw mode? Exemplify or camera raw settings you can share with other friends, and you can make a preset. You can use that things future for your photography. So how to do that? Let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So I'm going to the home, and here is my stock image, and go to the filter, camera raw filter. I made that preset for you guys, and I'll load that preset. If I load that green blue, and now we'll analyze the color, why the green color converted into blue color. Let's go to the hue, saturation and luminance panel. So if I consider that things, that means we know that the cyan and magenta, these two things make your photographs or make your color into blue. That means here is the cyan color and magenta color. So magenta and cyan, these two things, if I make it like this, and 100%, minus 100% and plus 100%, these two color could make your photographs into blue. If I change this one and if I change this one, yeah, so this one is the main technique to make these things. At first you have to know the color, which color or which two or three color mix up the new color. That means blue color coming from two colors, that is, one is the cyan color and another one is the magenta color. If we blend it out properly in a cyan and magenta, it is giving you the proper color. After getting the blue color, you can adjust the other stuffs. Suppose the blue hue or saturation. The saturation of the color does mean that the percentage of color and the luminance intensity of the color. If we change the intensity of the color, it will change. Suppose this one, I am just making up the value, it's like intensity increased, and if I make the value down, it just decreased. And here if I make this type of things, here the luminance, if I make the luminance blue color, it will be dark. Cyan color, that is and magenta color, if I change these things, mainly this color is the basic of this blue color. So let's see the setup. Press Ctrl or Command J again, filter, camera raw filter, and from here load settings option. Again I'm loading this up, and now you know that the which color contains the blue color, which two colors, that is the cyan and magenta, it contain the blue color. Now we'll see the other settings, how make your photographs more lucrative or shiny or looky. They don't change over here anything, everything is same. You can change it out everything, or you couldn't. Suppose if you need, you can change the highlight. It's not mandatory to change it out, but here the hue saturation, you have to work with this panel. So here hue, I'm giving the main things, the aqua, that is 100% plus 100%. If I make it minus 100%, it's naturally the green color look like before. So that things I have to change. Aqua I'm changing plus 100, it's changing into the blue. So you know that the magenta and the cyan, these two things making the blue color. Now you can change other stuffs. So I just here give here green color saturated, that is the 62, aqua color down and the blue color down. Luminance I didn't touch that. Hue I just did touch that, just because of hue is the color which one you picking up from the ribbon here, from here. And this one split toning, that means shadow color and highlight color. These two things depends the photo color. That means in a photo you are getting three things: shadow, highlight and mid tone. So shadow and highlight, you are getting this color from here, just because of here is hue and the saturation, percentage of color and the types of color, which color you pick up from the ribbon, and saturation what will be. So highlight color like that. If I change the value, it will change. Suppose it will be warmy or more cool, whatever. And the shadow color as well, if I change it out, the shadow is changing. So shadow color you have to match with your like which one, the main color. Here is the main color is blue, that's why you have to change the shadow in a blue. And this photo you're getting too much shadow in here, here. The highlight is less than the shadow in this image. No lens correction issue over here. Grain and other like post crop vignetting, I didn't touch that. For the three primary colors over here, here is the blue, green and red primary. I made the red primary value like that. If I change it out, here some red appears. I don't want to do that. That's why I just made the hue that is 57 minus 57, and you have to reveal that things. And if you need, you can just reduce all the types of color like that. Here is no red types color, so you can use that. And green as well, if I change the green hue, it will be like that, but I want to make it blue. That's why I made it into the like aqua type. Here the ribbon, it's green primary started from the yellow and ends in a aqua. That's why I made it aqua. And aqua and blue, these two things are related with the cyan. You know that cyan and magenta makes the blue, you know, a little bit earlier. And here the blue primary like that. If I change it out, it will be like that, but I don't want to do that. I have to make it blue. So saturation as well as the other stuffs, and hit the OK button. You are getting the shiny blue color from the green color. So main thing is that I'm reviewing that things again. Cyan and magenta contains the blue color. You have to maintain the cyan color and the magenta color from the HSL panel, and it will give you the shiny blue color. That's all for the today. Thanks for the watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you want to get the download link of this preset, please check out my video description. If you want to get the download link, the camera filter, that is the plugins for the Creative Cloud by default. And if you are the user of the CS version, you have to install it manually. Manual download installation file download link in my video description. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.